Hi everyone. So I am today giving you the demo of the site that I have created for my sister business. That is, she is running a physiotherapy clinic, and so I have to create the website for her, a site where she can put all his work, like whatever reels she's creating, what kind of a LinkedIn post she is posting, and what are her patient reviews, everything I wanted to create for her, like what kind of services she is giving. So the goal was to create a platform also, or you can say admin backend as well, so that she can change all these things with herself only. So here you can see, like this website is a static website, and here we have a home page. Here we have like pages for like what kind of services she provide, about section. Here we can download the stuff, and here we can view her awards and certificates as well. And you can see here we can publish all researches that maybe she will be doing in future. She can post her all researches. Currently she have done this research. In future, if she wants to add, she can add. So there is also the event section as well, where she can promote her offline camps, online camps. She can provide the links, and she can also have also list her sports event as well. I also needed a section for blog as well, where she can write her blogs. Uh, and obviously the contact us page as well, where she can where the patients can take appointment and log their suitable time, and then the whole process, like she will be receptionist will be giving the appointment and all. So if you look at the back end, so in back end you can find, like, we can see in dashboard all the things, what all blocks she she's writing, what social post she wants to add. Like she will first fetching the URL, whatever LinkedIn URL she want to feed. And after that you can see, like, take an example of any Instagram reel, and I can show you, like, what kind of uh, things will come up. Let's say I am just fetching this reel, so it has automatically detected that it's an Instagram reel. Okay, here she can upload the photo, she can write the content. Even content is optional, so I will not say you should write. And moreover, it will not be appearing on the site here as well. So the content is something which is optional. You will just seeing this caption part only. So you can put your channel name here, something like that, and you can just add post as it as a post. And if it's a LinkedIn post, let's say I would say LinkedIn post, you can you have to just share the link here. Let's say uh, this one. This is a page actually. LinkedIn post. I would say LinkedIn. We can name any well-known person on LinkedIn. Uh, let's say NVIDIA post. So let's say this is my post basically. I want to put this here, so I can just paste there, fetch the link. It will automatically detect it's a LinkedIn post. I can write my caption. I can post photos as a thumbnail. So that thing I can do here. So other than that, there is event part as well. So I have for her, I have dedicatedly created based on her profession. I have created sports event tab here. free public welfare offline camps, free public online camps. So she can add the details here, post the meeting link here, registration form also, and like all the things she can platform here, she can post the link and as well. So this is all we are covering in this event tab. And the lead is something which, let's say, if I look at the site and I go to the contact page, in contact page you will find the this form. You can see currently there is test 4 lead. Let's say I add the new entry like test 2 everywhere. So you will find that that all the entry that we are feeding it here will get populated there at backend as well. Let's say 2 2 2. So I have, let's say I have submitted it, and after submitting, if I want to, if I will refresh it, you can see I got my entry. So that is the powerful backend that I have created for her. Moreover, there is a patient history tab also that I have created. Let's say she taking the test to patient, and she find that he was not fine today, right? And let's say we have his report as well. So maybe from mobile as well, she can have his reports. So here, what we can do is we can have PDF as well, like let's say a small file. I'm looking for something like I could say, let's say this file I have uploaded. So I can upload file and I can add it as an entry as well. So to not make my data heavy, so I can just do it here and I can see all attachment also that I have recorded in past. So all patient history also she can add. So this would be a one go-to platform for her where she can manage her site as well and where she can add patient history as well. So there is award section as well where she can add her certificates, and all the things that you can see here will be recorded in her view all record and certificates part. Okay. Other than this, there is a testimonial part. So she is managing the page. If you see, if I go to the home page, so she is having her Google business, and here she is getting patient reviews. So what she can do is she can just record all the testimonials that she have received from her patient on the backend portal itself. Here she can log the rating that she received here, and then she can add the testimonial as well. So that is the another part. Currently we have just added three services here, like service sports physiotherapy, tele rehab, pulmo rehab. Maybe in future, let's say she is having in her clinic itself ENT, pulmo and all, so she can add those services as well in her site. Then comes the blog part. So if you look at the blog part, you can see how uh, user friendly the blog is. Here you can write the article name, you can write like the summary of a blog, and then you can also write your text, and you can also add photos as well, like in between. If you want to add, you can add the photos as well, or either you can also do snipping tool as well. Let's say want to paste this photo, I can also do control C, do the snipping tool, and I can do control V here. So this photo can also get pasted and could be a part of a blog. So it's the technique, like if you want to do the blogging very fast, so you can do that thing as well here. So there is like if you want your uh, blog to get popular, you can make it popular by implementing the like SEO practice, which stands for search engine optimization and all. And there is another tab which is like if you see the home page here. So in home page you can see like we have text here as well. Like I think I I have just, so if you see, I have a text here as well, and in about also I have a text. So I want to, let's say, change this all these things. So I can manage this content from this page content section. That home page content, I can manage it from here. The about section, I can manage it from here. So this is a project that I have created for her, and I am looking other businesses also to be a part of my weekend project. So this is the project that I have created for, and I can add more capabilities as well here. There is also a function of changing the details as well. Maybe in future, if she wants to change her address, she can change it from here. And if you want to change her password of the admin portal, because if you look at the admin portal, it is secured by the password. So let's say if I open it from let's say um, from here, if I open drnagdev.com/admin. So she have to log in to get this portal. Before login, she can't able to access this stuff. So she can change her password as well. As a security method, we recommend uh, most frequently, the client should change their password as well. So this is what I have created for her. How many blocks she have, how many leads she got, how many patient history she is updating. All things get synced together. So if you see my leads, they are coming from the Google Sheet. And if I am recording the patient history, that should also be going to the Google Sheet itself. So I have added the test too. So here, if I show you my Google Sheet from where we were feeding the data, so here in patient history, you can find the test two thing. He was working fine. So everything like the media and everything you can see, like it is in the sync with the same sheet, Google Sheet, from where we are getting the Google form, and from the Google form itself, we are getting the patient history as well from the app that we have that I have created for the client for my sister. So that is how the I have created this thing. So further, like in future, I want to add AI into it so that she can get the better uh, like she can get best out of AI as well. So this is her recently opened clinic at Green Park, Delhi, and she is also giving tele rehabs as well. And if you think you want this tele rehab, you can book a consultation from here, or you can just drop the WhatsApp message after clicking this if you go to the chat on WhatsApp, so it will be directly opening here WhatsApp. So you can also talk to her on WhatsApp. So you will get the appointment accordingly based on the availability. There are a ton of features that are on the way, and we will be seeing the calendar upgrades and everything according to like whatever she will require. So all those things will get added to the same site. If it would be like related to the AI, recent AI tools like a customer friendly portals, AI for patients, everything that can be possible, that is uh, recommendable by doctors, all those things can be added. And I'm glad if other doctors also want to join me want my help for creating a similar website for themselves, so I can help them. I'm happy to spend time on their business on my weekends. So please, you can find me on the same site as well as himanshunagdev.in. So this is my portfolio page, and here this is also I've just created, and I am just changing uh, it recently. So you can find my all the projects that I do. So currently, most of the projects here you are seeing, I've just listed them as a title, but their documentation and all still need to be done as on July 17, July 18, sorry. So this is that's it for today, and hope to see you with my upcoming projects.